Okay. So the only thing left. Yeah, I completely forgot that I was fucking live. Working on something. Jesus Christ. Ah, fuck. What is it? 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 Something in here. Okay, so we got to get this whole thing going. I'm gonna go ahead and there's a contract. Oh shit. Um, I could technically try to pull the money out. I'm not really concerned about it, even though it's all that I have on ETC. Whatever. We could verify all these, right? Let's go ahead and push them. Sure. And what I got to update is making it so that they're ready to verify. Look at that. Only happens. Come on. I want all four to show up at the same time. Come on, show me the last one. So there you go. Okay. So winner is this one. Save. Draw, because it's basically saying which one's the winner, right? And which one's the correct answer. So winner two. Save. Roll and commit phase. Save all those. This is a minute apart about. I'm going to switch to my other account so that they both stay in line, even though one of them is actually punishable. Yeah, so those are all the same still. So push them from this account as well. So like, there's technically other watchers here, but they're not watching anything, right? There's technically other watchers. They're just like not watching shit. So okay, so that was that actually get confirmed yet? I guess it did. Okay, that happened pretty fast. Okay, cool. Am I going into work today? I guess I am. Thursday, yeah. Jesus Christ. And the next time I have to go to the job, let's see. Okay, Tuesday. Tuesday. Oh shit. Sunday. I see. What the fuck? No. What am I looking at? No. 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 Okay. Good. It's Tuesday. Fucking Tuesday. I got until two. I got okay. I got a bullshit tonight. Whatever. Right. Then I got till Tuesday to get in as much work as possible. Okay, yeah, Wednesday I'm trying to have a meeting with ETC people. We should both have updated stuff, right? And these guys over here, like I think, yeah, pretty sure. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. There we go. Wouldn't have enough time to push those blocks anyway, considering there's like 4 seconds left on the clock when they hit. That one is oddly enough a little behind. Because I think these three came at the same time, and I pretty much no, no, no. Technically, never mind. I don't. Okay, never mind. I'm thinking of something different. Yeah, commit. When you actually do the commit, doesn't technically matter. Dot 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 dot. Gonna run these, get the money out. I can do the collection function. I can do the collection function. I almost don't want to do legends. I'm gonna migrate the oracles. The things I feel like legends is gonna throw everybody off because they're gonna see the sports, and it's just better if they only see something that's simple and something they can understand, as opposed to this kind of out of left field idea. So it's like, we want to get people in the oracles active and everything. And I want to get a proper like job registration system for the oracles too. In reveal phase, in reveal phase. Okay, so I just do this again. And there's things I could optimize about the oracles. Yeah, that's true. Some things that can definitely be optimized with how this thing receives tickets and everything. So I'll probably have to work on that as well. On the fly. I'm gonna work on this cash out thing, hit the cash out button, and then I'm gonna do that pyramid risk style strategy game on Binance Smart Chain. Hopefully that'll buy myself some fucking freedom. So just wait for these things to complete. And then finalize all of them. Open the local hosts. I'll get to that later. 2 reveals, 2 commits. And start knocking everybody off the round table once the money really starts coming in. 5 hours. I'm gonna get this button done. Get some sleep again. Jesus Christ. So Friday shouldn't be doing shit. I don't think I'm doing anything Friday. Um. Okay. Okay. So yeah, Friday's pretty much my window of opportunity. Well, after tonight, yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then I'm back on the dumb shit Tuesday. Yeah. Oracle. Just push all the tickets. So we should have something in here. Yeah, we do have a new ABI, pretty sure. I don't quite remember doing this yet. I was getting ready to do it. This is a new contract as well. I did deploy a new contract, but I did get in here. I didn't do that yet. I know that. What was this? 7177? Yeah, it's definitely different. Okay. I was looking at the columns here. So it's definitely extended with the new functions and stuff. And with that, I should be able to view everything coming in. So ready to finalize. Run up all these tickets. Yeah, I'm kind of like frustrated and on edge. I am really not having this shit. I'm really not trying to do dumb shit anymore. This fucking job just about like killed me because I gotta have this shit done days ago. I just really, how much time it fucking takes out of your fucking life. Yeah, just how much fucking time it takes. Just fuck that shit. Fuck all of that shit. I already lost all my fucking time. That's why I guess I don't know. I don't see how other people deal with it. Yeah, but I already lost all my fucking time. I already sacrificed all my fucking time. What do we just change? All right. Gotta pick up some stuff. View innings. Okay, that's what that's for. And then we have some address in here, right? State.current address. That'll be, yeah, that makes sense. So let's just get this. Let's just see what the winnings are here. So we did the thing. Shit. What kind of dumb shit was I looking up while I was not paying attention that I was on stream? I was like, I watched this? I guess I did. I might have. I watched this while I was forgetting that I was on stream. All right. So we do this. Got that. I should see some type of winnings result. Okay. Okay. This is probably what, new? Yes, it is. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good that I actually saw that too, because um yeah, stuff. So let me think here. We had all of those things go through. The unresolved timeout, right? Didn't affect anything. So okay, I was about to say, yeah, loser, yeah. So yeah, he technically gets nothing, right? He gets nothing from any of these. Um, didn't have any of these selected. The draw here wasn't part of that. So if we go to this other one then, mover, go ahead and refresh this. Winnings, looks like we have a different array here. Okay. Looking like we're pretty spot on. So this is yeah, technically he gets back, of course, what he put in, and then also, right? Everything else. So it doesn't really um yeah, assets of the winnings, right? Finalized, nothing in here. We got a one in this one. Let's see. Draw assets, right? Okay, assets is always going to be the base asset, which is 0x0, right? And then we were right. So every time, where we see the green, right? Okay. Okay. So this one, draw 0.01, right? Who put money in that one? That's the question. Did this other guy put money in that? Because I saw zero pretty much on this one. Everything over here. I can see the six. I can see the. Okay, well, technically, hold up. So yeah, sidelines didn't do anything in. Hold up. So yeah, he gets nothing out of these. The only one, it wasn't right about any of them, right? So we're probably getting this zero back because of the what? The unresolved here? Yeah, that's probably what this is. Or not unresolved. I should have did. So you got a point one in here, point one in here. So that's the thing. We got a. Okay, so nobody won this. That's the thing. So the draw's got a point zero one in there. Now who the hell put that in there? Okay, this one. Hold up. We see the winner. Okay, so here's the thing. The winner. So this is okay. So what I have is slightly off because the winner has nothing in it, and that's actually right one of the conditions. So technically, you can still get your money back from this, but what I need to do is in the automatic roll up thing, right? Okay, finalized. Okay, so here it is. Um, if okay, so the winning position, but see then there's the thing. Then there's the situation. for when the winning position has nothing in it, right? So this is the one that was correct because it's not whatever. This is the one that was correct. Winner two is the correct one, but it has nothing in there. So for this roll up thing to work properly, we have to get the weights. Send Oracle. Let me just get this. Where okay, Oracle int fallback, right? And then we have this. This is the subjective one for the Oracle update, probably. Yeah, that's the new Oracle update request right here. Requested wager finalized, and then this right here, this right here, this right here, this right here. This right here. When basically this, when there is no weight in the winning position. So it's like you can do this individually, right? You can get it back. So it's unresolved. It says unresolved true. Hold up. Unresolved is true, right? Okay. These all came back individually. So view winnings. So we got the one here and the one here. So it's the six though. This is the six. Potential profit is the six. Okay, then we have this one here as well. Potential profit zero, but yeah, right. So it should come through. So I don't know if it's right. I don't know if it's because we only have a six. We have this one right here. We got this one. It looks like, right? And then there's one that's a draw. It's technically unresolved. Did the logic not sync up right with that? Okay, so here, that's the thing, right? Okay, so yeah, the logic did not. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here's the thing with that one, right? That's why I missed it. Because it is unresolved, but it's looking for this. Okay, that's why. That is why. Okay. So wager position equals winning position. And that is not necessarily the case when it's unresolved. So else if, boom, boom, wager dot position equals winning position. Save. If you haven't taken your reward and it is finalized, it's going to say, okay, if it is unresolved, only return the money back. That's that. And this is when it is, what do you call it? That way it doesn't block this. So the only way to get to this one is then, okay, if you, right. Okay, that's it. So I'm just going to take that one shot there. I'm just going to like want and assume it's like pretty much fixed after that. Um, yeah. And I'll add the button for it yeah, I'll just add the button for it now. Problem. No problem actually. So that's just a view. That's just to view the thing, right? Now we have view winnings, right? And then we have pool winnings. Okay, so it's yeah, it's either you are in the winning position or it's unresolved, so that makes sense. So I will run that function pool winnings. You gotta add up So that timer is just like, 8 hours of, yeah, that's no good, dude. It's no good. No good. No good. I gotta get this thing done. I gotta get this strategy thing done. Hmm. Still thinking about the rules on it too a little bit. It just seems like, timers. I would say that maybe not the FOMO. Maybe it's the distance from the timers. Then you have everyone kind of competing for moving up. Not necessarily though. Moving up could only be done by those who own pieces as well. And it's not necessarily advantageous to move up. It doesn't seem like it should be like a option. That's the other thing. It's like if you can move up, you should move up. So I'm thinking it should. I mean, the FOMO timer, moving up based on the FOMO timer, everything is pretty smooth right now, I guess. You guys should be live on there now, bro. I think that's my ass right now. Yeah, that's my ass right now. Bros, right there. Somebody doesn't know how to use the internet. Oh shit. I probably should not share this. Where is this? Okay. I remember telling the guy about how I was inside of this how I got on the inside of this fucking group. I wonder if he still remembers that. I wonder if he still remembers that. I was like, I told he said I forgot what he said. And then I snapped back at him and I was like, you have no idea what I'm on. I'm inside of 8 million people right now. Some. It's hilarious though. It was funny. And he was like, I like you. I like you. You seem like a different type of character. I was like, yeah, bro. This is like that shit was so funny too. All right, so we're doing the roll up now. All right, index. Um, hmm. Doing something. Pull wager data, right? View winnings. Okay, yeah, we can use this. We can use this, right? We just logged it out, and then, man, right now, okay, so we got to add a new variable in here. I just gotta snap it back. I gotta snap it in. That's it. I was gonna do it at work last night, but then got stuck playing. I mean, we had some downtime. Oh Jesus, yeah, all this stuff. This is footballer token, so I can take this out. A lot of this shit I can take out. A lot of this shit I can take out. A lot of this shit that I can take out. Exact resolves. Got all of that. Oh my god, yeah, these can definitely be taken out. These can definitely be taken out. Prices can definitely be taken out. Yeah, all be gone. All be gone. Taken care of. This is the wager thing, so we don't need Oracle stuff. I'm just gonna leave the rest alone for now. I feel like if I save it, I might get some little snags because I got some random stuff hanging over. Okay, we're good. We're good. These wagers. Something else after this. What we have? Cash out, wager cash out. Zero here. I mean, all right, right? We have this update function, which we have right there. Okay. So winnings dot for each, I guess. Get used to using those functions, I guess. Total cash out be equal to zero. These can technically be very large numbers. Yeah, see, I know if I don't get enough rest, I'm gonna be tired tonight, which I'm not trying to be tired at this place tonight. So I'm gonna get this button done. This button done. I'm trying to get back to like research mode, you know? I'm trying to like really get back into the research and shit, like just learning new fuck dude, fuck this, fuck all. Seriously. I don't even know. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't even want to like holy shit. I'm not even trying to be like big business, nothing. I'm just trying to fucking do the research project. That's it. Continue that. Fuck all this other noise. Stupid shit. Like make some money to fucking carry this shit on, carry it out. Yeah, make some money, like kind of get things moving, but carry on with the research project because this is some stupid shit. This is some stupid shit. Why the hell is this fucking mess green, dude? How the hell does shit turn green? Yeah, how the hell does shit turn green? God, that's annoying as hell. Oh, that's annoying as fuck. Okay. Ready to verify. Okay, that's true-ish. This is RGB, right? RGB. Ready to verify. The fuck, dog? Does it start off green? Yeah, sure as hell did start off fucking green. EE4 is definitely, that would be definitely like yellow or something. Anything. It's encompassing the whole thing though. See, border color. See, that's border color though. It should definitely not affect the text. So countdown timer. That's like match timing and shit. That's not about nothing. Yeah, that's not trying to do nothing. The hell is it getting this green bullshit from? Trying to fucking piss me off. Control box. Wow, go fly a kite. The fuck are you talking about? With this fucking random ass. Bruh. Okay. Yeah, okay. He sent them the other thing. So I got that. So it's control something, control box. I don't know why. Where's this noise at? Control box. Why? Why? How did this? What? Why? Why? Seriously, what the fuck? Seriously, why the fuck? Why? When? Oh, okay. It's because of this right here. Okay, so somewhere the foam got knocked off of this. Not gonna even know. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Whatever. Okay. Looking at that later. Oh, it's probably because maybe This. Okay. The sidelines on this one. Everything's finalized. Everything's finalized. Sidelines on some of them. What's up, Richie? Stays in the background. Um, Winnings for each. Okay, so I just got to basically roll through these and then make a button that adds them all up, puts them at the top somewhere. So we have this thing here, if we copy and paste it to update the timestamp, but we're going to use that for the wager cash out. So boom, and then we're going to just put the total cash out there. So we're going to roll through these things. Let me think, let me think, let me think. We're going to have, okay, let's put money here, I guess, right? And then that's going to be, how's that come to us? Because we have two things. I think two arrays. Yeah, we got two arrays that come to us. Okay, so I see why that was happening because we got two arrays that come to us, and it's going to be the second one that. So dot. Let's just do dot winnings. How about that? Dot. See winnings. Dot winnings. That's a little confusing. Um. Some of them will say zero because of what the unresolved, right? Yeah, that's true. That makes sense. Um. Yeah, I'll just say like, okay. So we have the winnings, but then we also have, I guess, we'll just do winnings, dot winnings. That's not a problem. So dot for each. And then each one of these, we're going to have a number. So then what? Total cash out. Total cash out. Okay, let me just do something. Just check something. All right. So let's do this. We're going to do. Pretty sure I just want to look at this big. Okay, so it's a number format. That way we can just do the dot add here without having any complications with the number format of these extremely large integers coming from the blockchain. Total cash out dot add money, and then that should give us like the total cash out. So let's just do that. See what we get. So we should get like a 7 from this account at least. A 7, something like that. Okay, so we got this total cash out here. Let's see. Uh, Let me just do a two string. I don't know. Well, what do we get? We got, yeah, so it's saying zero. Saying zero. 6 and 1 there. Total cash out 0. So that is not correct. So whatever this function is, I'm not running it right. So we got winnings dot winnings. Let's see. Console dot log. Just get the money there. Let's see what that actually says for us. So give us three different numbers. Yeah, money 0, money 6, money 1. And yeah, okay, so we're some formatting issue. Total cash outstanding is 0. Add money. You should, okay, hold up, because I don't think I formatted this correctly. Probably what it is. Okay, I lied. What? We'll run this again. See, okay, I definitely lied. Let's see. Total cash out is formatted correctly. Like if I do this, right? Hit the add there. Okay, so this should give us, like the total cash out here should give us a formatted number, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Okay, so this first time, so yeah, so this is giving us a big number here. Okay, so let me just run this again. Money, right? Two string there. Now hold up. So we get the money there. So it says six some odd. See, I know it's gonna give us a problem though if we just straight up add it. That's the thing. Like once the numbers get too large, if you just straight up add it, it's gonna give you a problem. Pretty sure. I could be. Total cash out starts at 0, 0, 0, 6. Let me just add it. How about that? Okay, that's probably why. Could be why. Because I don't actually. Because yeah, I think the way that it works is you have to actually. Yeah, true, 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 true. You actually, yeah, you have to actually. Okay, okay. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. That's why. Yeah, I definitely want to keep it in the big number format because I know that once those things get too large, you can't treat them like regular numbers in JavaScript. So yeah. So 7 there. We got the 6, 6, 6, 1. Okay, so let's take out the comments. Take out the console logs. Okay, so we got that number for ourselves. And we got that wager cash out. So now we just need a button that's going to pull the winnings. Let's go ahead and get the button set for that. Let's go ahead and get we already have this pull money function. So that's for an individual wager. Let's keep that there for later. And then let's do one for the collective. So this is, so that you don't have to pull it from the individual wager pots. You got pull winnings, parse ints. That's usually typically the wager ID, but this is going to be the whole collection that you've got going on. So that's pretty simple right there. Yeah, it's a simple call. And then we got the user interface where that button needs to show up. So we want to check first if the wager cash out is larger than 0. Okay, we are almost like this is it. This is pretty much, this is it. This is it, sir. Good Lord, this is it. Um, oh shit. Oh, um, dang. Yeah, bro. Like maybe. Yeah, that's a good idea. I think that's a good idea. That'll definitely keep me from one thing. One thing, like the whole streaming thing. it just keeps me focused, right? But then when I know, right, when there's actually like good reason to stay focused, well, it's good reason to stay, but it's also like gonna get everybody excited about it too. It's gonna get like everybody like, like ready for this shit. That'd be crazy. Jeez, that'd be insane. All right. Let me ooh, that'd be crazy. Okay. Let me think. Let me think. So we got this view thing we got to set up. Okay, with this betting box, I'm pretty sure this is old. Amount to wait. Yeah, this is old stuff. Let's knock that guy out. Okay. Open wager box. That is definitely old too. Let me just make sure that's mentioned nowhere else. Okay, good. Technically is, but that's commented out, so we can just clear that. It's kind of like the sports announcers. What do you call those people? Sports announcers? The sports announcers, but for code. Let's see. This last thing, the control box in here. Wagers, match timing, cutoff. All right. That is an individual wager box. Right. That is, that's an individual wager. So then outside of that is where we're going to have the cash out button. So in this, okay, so we have this control box. I'm trying to think how the best way we can do it. Try to organize it. Let's see. Probably put it outside here. This is actually unused for some reason. So let's see. Cash out everything. Let's just call it that. Fuck it. Cash out everything. And this is going to only show if we have to get this wager cash out thing put in here. And then so we have this computed stuff, which we can pull over from the view state. Wager cash out. Okay, so that should be the total of everything we can cash out. So if that is larger than zero, right? Let's do not equal to zero. How about that? Because it's gonna actually be formatted in a different way or something like that, I think. Yeah, it's gonna come to us formatted in a different type of way. So yeah. So all right. Then we'll take this number and then dress it up with the show number. Put that in 1E18 because it's the decimals. And the zero there, that is not true. See, 0, 2. It's two decimal places. Should be good. So right now, that is going to be just ETC up until we get the gold token. Because then there's going to be two. There's going to be two things you can cash out. I mean, technically, like the whole contract is ready for the ETC gold token, but we don't have one yet, I don't think. Okay, so we got that show number. Da, 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 da. Let's just see what it looks like raw. It's going to show up somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. 0.07. Now we got to dress it up. So I'm going to cheat a little bit, and because I don't want to do like all the CSS, I'm going to cheat a little bit and copy and paste the styling that I have from somewhere else. So I got to think about where I probably got that in an old file. Let's see, addresses, components. Where's the cash out button? It's gold. I know that. Looking for a gold button. Gold. Giving us anything. So there's going to be extra something? Extra? No, that's not it. Not, it's not bonus. See, bonds to sell, staking, earnings, reinvest, withdrawal. Initially, yes. The sports betting is available with ETC. We will wager ETC in the pools to incentivize betting. Yes. Okay. Okay. And we can definitely do. I mean, we can definitely do the footballer token on ETC or whatever, But hey, yes, it's all good. Let's see. Let's see. There is. Oh snap! This is intense. That's pretty crazy right there. Oh, I see him coming in too. So yeah, we have this extra. So okay, so I gave it a weird name on my other file. But this is basically it right here. This is what I want right here. Go ahead and put that at the bottom. And then what's it called? Cash out everything. Boom. So make sure this is position absolute right 36 top. Seems like this should definitely be like 100 at least, knowing how close it's going to be to the edge. And then that should be about right. So we should see something change over here. Yeah, so that did something. Yeah, it needs to look a little better. I can make it look a little better. I can do something to make it look a little better. So we got it coming from the top 36. Just make that 10. Oh no, we are in the wrong file. Let me close this out. 10 and maybe 50 would be all right. Pull that guy out there. See how it just slid. And then we have text align. Center. Let's see. Bring that guy, snap him in. We have any padding set? Not yet. Padding from the top. Let's say 10 px. I'm pretty sure that should put that about right. We're gonna reduce that because I know the font size is gonna have to be a little larger. Font size. Pretty sure it's called font size. 25px. Okay, so let's uh, and that could be like 10 etc or 1 etc. I'm trying to get a good idea of how the spacing is going to work with that one. We do 10px there. Okay, that's about right there. Oh, okay, I can live with that. I can live with that. And then get the icon for etc in there. Got it somewhere in here. Asset. Okay, asset icon. Yeah, here it goes. Boom. Goal icon. So yeah, even have it, kind of ready a little bit to go with like, okay, if it's basically okay. If it's the ETC icon, it's gonna be ETC. But then I got it ready for like, okay, if it's gonna be the goal token, it can be the goal token. So it's like everywhere else it's gonna be ready for that. But like I gotta just manually update that right here for when we actually do add that. So let's see, that's a little bit outside the box there. Um, class, cash outs. It's going to fit in there with the guy. Okay. And then we can take this. We got the ID here. Come to the bottom. Ooh, something 32px height. No, I think it should be like 24, right? See what that does. Oh, okay, so let's just do a little margin. And I feel like, see, the thing is the text should be centered. That's the thing, and that's what I do with these buttons here. The text is actually centered, and then the icon, currency, whatever, is off to the side because it just squares up nicely like that. So I'm going to do something like that again. We have the asset icon here, the same height. Um, Position absolute, and that's going to be inside of the thing here. So, all right, we can just select it by the span. Pretty sure that'll suffice. So we have this cash out everything span, and this is going to be what position relative, and the one inside of it's going to be position absolute. Pushes itself to the side a little bit. There we go. Okay, now the thing is the green and the orange doesn't actually go that well together. So I'll probably change that to just green. Something like that. Let me see what happens if I do this. What does that do for us? That is not bad, I don't think. I don't know. So the thing with this, okay, buttons, oh, plus we don't even know what this technically is yet. I mean, like somebody just looking at this doesn't know what it is. The thing is, this is kind of weird though, because for some reason it looks better on these, right? I guess it's because the buttons are larger. Maybe if I just trim this down to like, I don't know. I don't know if it's the size of it or what. It's messing me up visually. 24 or something like that. And then we gotta do something from the top, maybe. Two or nothing. One. Yeah, really particular, right? And then it doesn't have any margins, so that's out of there. Okay. So this right here. So it does look a little better. So this green is too crazy. Um, yeah, the green's not working, like the background green. So cut this guy down to like 80, see what that does. Didn't really do too much for me. Not really not do too much for me either. Okay, let me try to run both of these numbers up, 160 and 160. Make it a light. Okay, I lied. No, let's make the text, the font black. You know what? Let's do cash out. Let's put a word. Let's put a word in there. Maybe that'll help. Span is an inline block. Pretty sure. What happens when we type in cash out? That is looking horrible. Okay. Maybe increase the size of it because it is already restricted. I can see why it's doing what it's doing, right? I want to, hmm. Well, font color's got to be definitely. Hash out a word. Okay, it's like, is it one word, right? Okay, it's one. It passes as one word, you know? Sometimes it's like little details, little trivia questions. Don't always know the answer to. All right, so we have this. I just want to make that button probably a little bigger. That look nice. And then the color of this, we can change to, oh, you know what? We can do a dark, heavier green for that. I think that'll do. Yeah. Yeah. With that one a little more. Yeah, there we go. A little more definition. And then in the span inside of here, and we'll say margin left is going to be 23px. And that should give us enough space between that and the, yeah. I think that's it. I think that's it. That looks, yeah, that's it. I think that's it. That's it. I think that is it. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so then give it a little bit more space, 200, because right now we got zero point zero 0.07, and that's could be anything up to, if you're making big money, right? Be anything from like 100 ETC, whatever. So let's just go ahead and just like stop that out, see what it looks like. Want big money in the wagers. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, so refresh this, get everything realigned. Finalize, finalize, finalize. Okay. Make sure everything is looking right. So this says potential, right? This says potential profit. Now, technically, it's been finalized. So it should say how much you've actually won. Instead of saying potential profit, it's actually profit that has been made. Okay. Um, that's one little thing we can do. And this is right here. So we can just change this little small part here. So potential profit and just really say, um, because what, okay, so like, what if you've lost, right? Then it should not show it at all. All right, so let me just do this. If, see, v if wager dot finalize, and hold up. No, 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 no. This is if it's not finalized, right? Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, yeah, profit, yeah, boom, boom, right there. Okay, okay. So the thing is, should it show you? There's the other question, right? Now, technically, you click cash out, you get all your money, and then like that button goes away when you get all your money, right? So should it show you which ones you've cashed out from? Because there's going to be more that come, right? There's going to be more that come through. Speaking of which, we have to reverse the order of the thing here because I think the newest one should appear at the top. Should do update something, right? Update. Oh, that's not where we want to be. Actions, address, view wages, view winnings. Oh yeah, this is definitely a big list. View wins, bulls, assets. So what we want to do is JavaScript reverse. Is that it? I think it's just reverse. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's just reverse. Dot reverse. This should flip everything over. Refresh and flip everything over. That way the newest ones show up at the top. Okay. That is not. Yeah, something got hung up there. Some got hung up. Something got hung up there. Yeah, because I'm still referencing these by, yeah, some other. Okay, so we're still pulling the wager data there. So let me go ahead and just undo that. Commit, update wagers. I am. Okay. I actually got a better idea. Let's see. We have the wagers in here, and then we can just do the dot reverse inside of here. Yep, that's a better idea actually. Wager box, right? Let me do the dot reverse in there. Please let that work. Did that do anything? Don't think it did. Okay, yeah, that's definitely giving us problems. Okay, in wagers. Okay, let me just think this. Yeah, because this is a view log. Hmm. I'll come up with some clever thing to flip these around. It's not hard. Just gotta come up with something. I can do it in here too. All right, so click cash out. Let me get back to this profit thing where, okay, if you've won, right, it's gonna show profit. Now, if you did not win, so which account am I on right now? So mover, I'm gonna the other account here, refresh everything. So if you have not won, right, it should, yeah, see here it says profit points. Yeah, okay, so well, I gotta update that there. So that I only checked for whether it was finalized, so I didn't check for everything yet. If we go into here, so yeah, if it's not finalized, so if it is finalized, I'll say profit, but then also, okay, so then we have to make it so that, okay, v if, all right, and, right, and wager dot position. I'm gonna make sure it's not, okay, hold up. So if it is finalized, hold on. Okay, so basically say, okay, and the following condition is not true, where it is finalized and the wager position is not equal to, hold up, the winning position. Right. Wager winning position. Okay, so that should take away this. There we go. Cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Now, it'd probably be nice to take that out right there. Let's just put that in there. Should be fine. Okay. So thing is, okay, if we can actually put that back there, that bar, and then on the flip side, right, where okay, if you did lose, I don't know. I don't think we should tell them how much they lost. You know, I don't know. We should just say We should just say lost. Let's not call them a loser or anything. Like what's a gentle way to say lost, right? Because like if you call him a loser, that's gonna scare him away from the site. You know? Oh, the image is still loading for me. I wonder why it's taking so long. Oh, because I'm probably on stream. Sideline, 0.5. So this one, okay, you lost there. Now, yeah, sideline means you didn't participate at all. There it goes. There he goes. I see him. That's a gorgeous dog. Oh, try again. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. Try again. Sorry, try again, or something like that. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, that's you know what I'm saying. Like you don't want to say they've, you don't want to call them a loser or whatever. Better luck next time, maybe. Ah, yeah, yeah. That's like it's literally said that. Literally said it at the same time. All right, so then we're gonna take this guy out here. V if wager is finalized and we're not winning position. Okay, and the last thing actually is got to check for one more thing because it technically it can be finalized and your position might not be lined up, but if it goes unresolved, yeah, then if it goes unresolved, everybody gets their money back. So boom, and then we want to take this same condition here and then put that up against the image here. Okay, so we have this, we have what? The amount and then this image. So we can just wrap this inside of that guy and this guy right here. V if. Well, it should be the opposite. So let's just go ahead and put that in the, yeah, so there we go. All right, okay. Now, I know I didn't add the function to the cash out button, so what the heck happened to that? What the heck happened to that? Let me just refresh everything. Do a hard refresh. Hold on. You get anything bugging out over here? No, not really. I know we didn't click that. I know we didn't add the thing to the cache. I don't know what's going on. Let me check. Oh. Try again. Okay, try again. Okay. Boom. Okay. That is that cache out button just decided to disappear all of a sudden. Let's take out that condition really quick and see if we get it back. We do get it back. I'm pretty sure we did not cache anything out, sir. Like, I'm pretty sure we didn't cache. We did. Yeah, I would have definitely remembered adding that to the button. Okay. Oh. Because I'm on the other account. That's why. That account didn't win anything. I was like, why did that disappear? Yeah, because that account didn't win anything. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Geez, got me tripping out. Okay. All right. So now we just got to add the part where we can actually take the money home. And then, yeah, that'd be it. He kept saying it's just a button, just a button, just a button left. But there's, these little details and stuff, right? Making sure the user experience is intuitive. Everything makes sense along the way. Let's get this button guy going. Let's get that guy going. And then we got, see, this, I'm kind of like nervous. See, div. Oh, we could actually make this a button. Can't we? Which doesn't change things too much. It does kind of change things a little bit. Let me go ahead and just get that guy lined up. Probably the padding. Yeah, there we go. We'll add a thing in there. It's almost dispatch the event. Place bets. See cash out winnings. We don't have to do anything with that. Dispatch wager in. Says wager cash out here. What is it called in here? It's called pool winnings. And we don't have any parameters passed into there, so we can just knock all of these guys out. And that's it. So cash out winnings. All right, span button V. Oh, I think we just do this click actually. We can do that. Pretty sure. Yeah. What's the shorthand? The shorthand version. All right, I'll just do the B on click. Cash out winnings. Just make sure this function name lines up. Right there. Okay. 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 So let's do this. Okay, so we have this account right here. Just get the exact block scout, get the exact amount for this address. So that when we click, right? So that when we click the thing, we see the exact amount come back. We got 0.059. Make sure we just write all this down just in case. I got a few more hours until I go to that thing. Let's just get all those digits. All right, moment of truth here. Moment of truth. Okay, so we're gonna have a little point. Okay, so it's this right here. We're gonna kind of like that don't matter. I mean, it's like it's gonna show up right. Like it's gonna show up right. So this should go away. Cash out, right? Now, okay, like yeah, there might be a little. I mean, it's gonna go away. It's gonna work. So when this transaction comes through, okay, looks like we got. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. So this is what I was thinking. Here's this. That's why I kind of like I stopped myself from before I said anything. But see now, if we click this again, it should technically try to bounce on us, oh, or not. So it didn't. It didn't. It didn't. So here's the thing. If it doesn't bounce on us, it's definitely not going to give us the money back. So here's the thing. So let's go this. We got this change right here, right? So here's what I'm about to show. This is why I kind of like paused for a second because I was like, okay, technically, okay. So let's just watch. We did that last little function, that last little call, 1296, whatever. Let's let it go through. Nothing else should come back out, right? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now it went away. Now it went away. Now it went away. Okay, okay. So yeah, we get. So the thing is, now it went away, and this is right here. So either it comes back out, and this is 7. This is the 7 here. That's not okay. Let me think. 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 It went away the second time because this could be the array ordering, right? I should do it individually because you can't call it again. Let me do this. Wagers index. No. Footballer token. Gotta dance around with this now. Great. So if we just do this again, it's going to say 0. I'm glad I put the math on this, right? So first it said 7, then it gave us 0. I'm just going to it's going to say 0 again here. This is going, we have the thing here, right? Okay. Hmm. So that, yeah, that function with the, what do you call it? Where it actually takes everything all at once, that is something new that I added into the contract. Before you would take it individually. So there might have been like some little logical misstep that I made. Call 0. It's 13,955, right? I mean, it's definitely not gonna. It went from 7 to 1, and it added the appropriate number each time. It always takes forever. Okay, so yeah, it didn't give us anything back, which is good, which is good, which is good. Still going here. So it's like it picked it up on block scout, but it didn't pick it up on. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, of course the transaction fee costs a little bit of something, so we see a small difference there, but yeah, it didn't actually pull any extra money. So basically, my little scanning function that is supposed to, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, yeah, it's in the other. It's in the other. Let's see. File, open folder, desktop, rug classics, select folder, smart contract wagers. So somewhere in this function where it pulls the winnings. Yeah, so this is all new logic for rolling. So the thing is, so the end of, so they all call, what do you call it? They all call this function where, okay, um, you can't take any rewards that you've already taken because this is going to basically block this off. Yeah, of course, if you've been positioned in the wager and the wager's not been finalized. Okay, okay, okay. So basically, it is, let me go back here. Now, do we have it where it says 1? Okay, that says profit, right? I'm going to just go ahead and change that really quick where it says something more intuitive. Okay, so we have the, and this is, okay, so this is actually a thing I had to change. So technically, the change that I added to the new contract is probably what fixed this because I did change this wager contract earlier in the stream to adjust for the logic that it was going to miss out on. I will run through the test again to make sure everything syncs up. But see, here you have, let's see. You have some of these, right, where the winner, like right here, here's probably where it came into play too, right? Because first we saw 7. Now the 7 would come from, okay, the 6 here, because the potential profit was 0.05 and then your initial 0.01. All right. And then we have this 0.01 coming from the winnings of this one. So the thing is, now technically, this wager right here is unresolved because there was nothing like the team that actually won, there was no money in that category. There was no money in this thing. So when there's no money in the actual winning position, we want to actually give everybody's money back. So that's why there was that extra one at the end there. So we got the 6. That's where the 6 and the 1 came. So this is the 6. Or no, this is the 6, and this is the 1 that we saw and got the 7. We were able to get the 7 first, and then okay, then we had the extra 1 pop up at the end. Now, what I needed. Okay, so yeah, where we could add money. Let's see. Let me just read this. Where we could add money to incentivize betting. Yeah, we could do that. I mean, yeah, I don't know if that's in response to what I'm typing now. But I just want to make sure like the system works like at a system level, you know? So like yeah, so this is actually what I fixed. This is what I went in and fixed earlier with the contract here because I had to push the unresolved thing. Let me make sure I get this right. Pull money. Oh, okay. So view winnings here, and then yeah, okay. In case of there being an empty pool. Oh, I see, I see, I see. But I actually corrected this line. Let me just do a diff check here. This is the thing right here, I'm pretty sure. Oh, the thing is I closed out of this already, so it's already saved. Whatever. Oh, I can just actually check the what you face. I just want to make sure I'm all lined up. 1 second. Server, contracts, client, static source, store, addresses. Definitely want to make sure I'm all lined up. Because with the code here. Oh shit. I never verified the contract. Well, that's whatever. Okay. Okay, should actually be maybe in here. I don't think I updated. Yeah, I don't think I took it to here. And there it is. Yeah, okay, there it is. Pull winning. Okay, so let's do a diff check. Make sure I'm aligned. Because I know, because I was thinking about this earlier and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, that was definitely a snag. And there it is. There it is. View winnings, right? We had the view winnings logic because we had to resort that out. And then we had the actual, okay, that's not there. Okay. Let me just see the pool winnings as well. View winnings is just viewing winnings, and then pool winnings is actually adjusting the array. Certainly gold later. We don't have empty pools. Yeah, that's, I mean, yeah, technically it's like, it's going to be, technically, yeah, it's going to be so active that there's not going to be any empty pools at all. Because really, if there, if there was even an empty pool, it's just, you could put in 0.00001 and the chance that you actually do win, you grab everything basically for free because you have 100% of the weight in what would have otherwise been empty. So yeah, technically, like it's yeah, but it's just I'm kind of like just doing like a little system check, really, from a code perspective. But yeah, this right here is the view winnings part where it got lined up, or yeah, that's where I actually updated it, lined everything up. And then so this is Rock Classic here. This is this guy out. Hmm. So we could see it there, right? Finalize. If it's finalized, and if hmm. I want to like just make sure I comb through this because this function is actually right not using the view at all. It did whatever. It did go through the gambits correctly. That looks good. I would just rather it pull everything at one time instead of two times. So you got this guy right here, right? And this is the remove gambit thing here. And it's a little awkward how it does it because it's kind of modifying the array at the same time that it's looping through it. That's why it checks the number of gambits each time it wants to do the loop, which could be the whole off by one reasoning there. Because if something gets shifted down, yeah, if something gets shifted down. So I'm about to blast this, basically. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to blast it. What I would expect out of that, though, is for it to show me the 8 this first time, not the... Okay, I'm gonna actually, okay, what I'm gonna do is upload the new one and then run everything. 'Cause, yeah, it'd just be better. It'd just be better to do. Okay, better way of just kind of combing through it. Let's see. Oh. Man, I gotta whew, go in at 11 o'clock. So that's 3.5 hours. How much am I running on here? 2 hours. Oh, let me see this. Nice. When a human move in classic. Yeah. We're closing in. That's for sure. We're closing in. Coming in hot. Oh, so I got the let me just get this wager thing back here. Yikes. So I just want to get this number here. Wager cash out. So B if zero. Okay. So that's gone now. Oh. So I saw a 1-6. When I saw it, right? Was it 6-1 or 1-6? I think it was a 0-6-1. 0-6-1. So it was definitely this guy and then this guy. It was 0-6-1. Yeah, 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 yeah. I would have remembered if it was ascending order. So that means that the one left was the fact that, yeah, 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 this guy right here. Hey, it was all the background. Really, it was all the background. The background does everything. If I, yeah, like that pretty much did everything. Because once I put the background in, like everything just, yeah, like I didn't have to do too much after that, really. And then I used the assets that I got from the C, the Golden Cup, and the soccer balls. So this is actually like a test token here. This wasn't actually like it's not a real token or anything, but it's pointing to like different things. And I'm gonna actually, okay, hold up. Yeah, 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 because that's gonna be a little bit more. Actually, let me do this too. Well, technically that guy didn't win anything, so it doesn't matter. I gotta get ready for this night shift though. I gotta get ready for this night shift. Good Lord. And then okay, so basically after this night shift, be getting back home 7 in the morning here. And then I got a pretty much a straight, clear shot for the rest of Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then he got me back doing something on Tuesday, but I think that's like at 11. But still I gotta get to sleep and stuff, whatever. But this is pretty much done. I'm gonna do the blasting test where I like just we're just blasted, with a whole bunch of different stuff, right? Um, I can actually do that while I'm at work because I'm at a hotel and there's a little bit of downtime because it's a night shift, so I can get that all kind of like set up. I'm gonna definitely get like a little bit more sleep before I go back to that place tonight, and then yeah, do the blast test late tonight, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I'm gonna build something. I'm gonna try to build something pretty spectacular. That's another story. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna close this stream down, and I'll see everybody in a few hours with the. Well, actually, no. I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna stream from work. I mean, I can probably. I can probably stream from work, but yeah, just do the blast. I'm just want to do that like barrage test as soon as possible because that little thing where it bounces back to that last 0.01. Like, yeah, the guy's supposed to get his money back, but I'm looking at this pool winnings function here. So we had the finalize. The other thing, okay, yeah, technically it would be okay. Yeah, I just want to kind of, I just got to comb through it again.